Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy SPX6900 on Coinbase wallet. We will cover the straightforward process, ensuring you can confidently acquire your chosen digital asset. First, we will prepare your wallet, then navigate the swap feature, and finally, confirm your purchase. This easy method will guide you through each essential step, making your crypto journey smooth and secure. Before making any purchases, you need to prepare your Coinbase wallet. First, download the official application and complete the initial setup, ensuring you securely store your recovery phrase. Next, fund your wallet with a base cryptocurrency such as Ethereum or USD. You can transfer these assets from a Coinbase exchange account or another wallet. Remember to account for network fees, which are typically a small percentage of the transaction. Now let's execute the token swap. Open your Coinbase wallet and tap on the swap icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Select the cryptocurrency you want to trade from, for example, Ethereum. Then, search for and select SPX6900 as the token you wish to acquire. Enter the desired amount, review the estimated gas fees, and confirm the transaction. The process typically takes less than 1 minute to initiate. After initiating the swap, verify the transaction status in your wallet's activity feed. It usually takes a few moments for the network to confirm. Once confirmed, your SPX6900 tokens will appear in your wallet balance. Always practice good security habits. Double-check contract addresses before swapping and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Your digital assets are now securely stored in your Coinbase wallet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.